Self-care.
Yeah. I suppose if I was kind of feeling stressed out or something like that, I'd kind of make sure that I'm spending time with my friends. Having a chat and stuff like that, you know. Also, I'd kind of try and go to the gym. Is that
Yeah, that'll do. That's fine.
alright? Okay.
Thanks.